Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn English with Ovi. Today we are going to talk about how to improve your English. Let's get started. First, practice speaking every day. Talk to friends, family, or even yourself in English. This helps you get comfortable with the language. For example, you can describe your day to a friend or even talk to your family member in English. Next, listen to English songs and watch English movies. This is another interesting way to learn new words and understand how sentences are formed. For instance, you can watch your favorite movie with English subtitles or listen to popular English songs and try to sing along. Read books, newspapers, or online articles in English. Start with simple texts and gradually move to more complex ones. Reading helps you see how words are used in context. For example, you can start with children's books or short stories and then move on to novels or news articles. Write a diary or short stories in English. This will improve your writing skills. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just write. For example, you can write about your daily activities, your thoughts, or even create fictional stories. Use language learning apps to practice vocabulary and grammar. There are many apps available that make learning more fun and interactive. For instance, apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise offer games and puzzles to help you learn. Join an English speaking club or group. This gives you a chance to practice speaking with others. It's a great way to make new friends too. For example, you can join online forums, local meetups, or language exchange programs. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's a natural part of learning. Every mistake is a step towards improvement. For example, if you say something wrong, just laugh it off and try again. It's all part of the learning process. Ask for feedback from native speakers or teachers. They can help you correct your mistakes and improve. For instance, you can ask your teacher to review your essays or have a native speaker correct your pronunciation. Set small, achievable goals. For example, learn 5 new words every day. Small goals are easier to reach and keep you motivated. You can use flashcards or a vocabulary app to help you remember new words. Be patient and consistent. Learning a language takes time, but give regular practice, you will improve. Keep practicing and have fun with it. For example, set aside a specific time each day for English practice and stick to it. Now let's recap these tips. That's all for today. I hope these tips help you improve your English. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English learning tips. See you next time on Let's Learn English with Ovi.